In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install a Shopify theme using a zip file. Before we jump in, make sure you already have your theme saved on your computer as a zip file. You don't need to unzip it. In fact, Shopify specifically wants the compressed zip format, so just leave it as it is. First, open your Shopify dashboard and log into your store. Once you're in the main admin area, you'll see a list of options on the left-hand side. This is your navigation menu where you manage everything from products to settings. From that menu, look for the option labeled Online Store and click on it. This is where Shopify keeps everything related to how your storefront looks and feels. When you click Online Store, it will automatically open the Themes section, which shows your current theme at the top and any other themes you've added below it. In the Themes section, move your attention to the top right corner of the page. You should see a button labeled Import Theme. Go ahead and click that. This option is specifically for bringing in theme files that you've downloaded from somewhere else, like a theme marketplace or a developer, and it's exactly what we want when we're working with a zip file. After you click Import Theme, a small window will appear. Here, you'll see an option that says Upload Zip File. Click on that. This tells Shopify that you want to upload a theme directly from your computer, rather than picking one from the Shopify theme store. Next, you'll see a button that says Add File. Click on Add File, and a file browser window from your computer will pop up. Now navigate to the folder where you saved your theme zip file. Take your time to make sure you choose the correct file and double check that it's still in zip format and hasn't been extracted. Once you've found it, select the file and confirm. With the file selected, you'll be brought back to the Shopify import window. Now click on Upload File. Shopify will start uploading your zip theme and then process it. Depending on the file size and your internet connection, this might take a little bit of time, so don't worry if it doesn't appear instantly. Once the upload is complete, your new theme will show up in the Themes section under Theme Library. From there, you can customize it or publish it when you're